interest rate decision today, can we expect a rally, or we can again look forward for them to drop? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel for live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first. We'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, what is happening to gold price here? You can see on the hourly charts, higher lows, flat top. And yes, if you see it trading below 2015 now, you can sell here. Then possibly we are going to look at again 2008 and 2004 levels. Good resistance. Previously the resistance for the upside is now going to be the support for the downside. Also, if you look at this candle, see in an hour or so it has seen a very extreme sharp rise there. So there is a long liquidity gap which needs to be covered, and hence if it drops it might try to hit back again 1990. And see the beauty of the levels yesterday, when we where you can find 1980 1978 zone, very good support, and you can see multiple candles getting the support there. After getting the support, it has seen a breakout. So if it resumes its downwards journey in case of a event which is unfavorable for gold, possibly we are going to look forward for it to break below 1980. Now what if it breaks out above 2020 again? Above 2020, 2033, 2041, 2050 levels, 2048, 50 levels are going to be the resistance, and then all-time highs are anyways there, which is it may try to attempt and achieve. But right now possibility exists that if it drops below 2015, you can sell here. Now see, stochastic has dropped. MACD on the hourly chart has seen a high. It is trying to converge. RSI trading overbought on the hourly chart, so little drop cannot be denied. Look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, to similar observation, nothing different. And beyond 2020 still there could be a rise, which is because see this is given a breakout, and after consolidation it can again give a breakout. So first thing is, even if it retraces on the downside till 1980, do not consider this as bearish. And see the beauty of the levels there. Since long we have been talking about 1980 2020 zone, and precisely it has been trading in this. So let's see if it continues in this zone. See, the stochastic was overbought. It is looking down now. The MACD has seen a high. See candle size diminishing here. It is looking forward to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI very near to the overbought levels. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, so similar is the observation. Consolidation going on right now. Below 2015, there is a potential for it to retrace a little till 1980. Do not consider this as bearish. Very clear. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. See the candle size is flattened here. Possible conversion here can be seen, but right now it is still very much bullish. RSI also at the top of the game, it near to overbought levels. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at, see 1980 2020 zone, now it has been trading in this box. There were a couple of breakouts. We have seen this. Now it is at the verge of this and a potential breakout above 2020 and then 2025 levels. Certainly one can stay long again. One can again expect it to rise for 2033, 2048, 50 levels, the next resistance level, and beyond that sky is the limit. A stochastic overbought, MACD again trading with divergence, looking upwards, and the RSI is also near to the top. And if you look at the daily chart, now see on the daily charts, lower highs were seen till now, higher lows were seen till now. This has breached, this has given a breakout right now. Now a breakout certainly means that it can continue with the rise there. However, one has to remain cautious, as the events today might affect it adversely, and then again my favorite 1980 levels will come into the support here. And if you just connect the dots, you will find that yes, this is still a box in which it is trying to trade, and hence about 2020 and 2025 zone, we are going to look forward to another round of rise. Now if you look into another perspective here, and you will find the drops here. See, first thing is the double top here. If it breaks out beyond 2040 48 zone, then certainly we are looking forward to all-time highs again. And this is what the Bollinger Bands have now started to expand a little. The stock stick is now looking upwards. The MACD on the other hand has started to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. It is still bearish. It can still slump from here. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2014 levels, just a notch below 2015, and where you can expect 2008, 2004, 2000, the three strong support levels, and below that we may again see 1991, 1985, 80 levels as the strongest support. Now, what if it trades about 2020? Yes, you can buy there. Beyond 2020, 2024, 25, the first targets, and then beyond that, stay long for 2033, 2040, for 2048 level. Take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, also you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now, just connect this, the highs, the lows, and you will find it is still in the bearish channel. 2550, the greatest resistance. We have seen it yesterday. We have seen it again in 2450. So this is kind of a box of $1 where it is getting or trying to swing. If you look at the hourly charts, after putting a top here at 2540, now it is looking downwards, and hence 2520 levels, once it breaches, you can expect that we might see a further drop, which is going to take it till towards 2515, 2505 levels, the favorite support levels, and below that a further drop cannot be denied. Likewise, what we have seen on the gold, on the silver also, there is a strong liquidity gap. In a 1 hour candle, we can see this extreme movement. Hence, it may try to erase the gains completely. Possibility exists that 2480 levels can again be seen. The stock stick has dropped drastically. The MACD is green. It is trying to converge. RSI trading near to the top. And likewise, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can clearly see that lower highs, higher lows. Once, even if it stays below 2525, you can sell for 2515, 2505 levels. And then 25 is certainly a very good, 2505 and 25 is certainly very good support levels. A stock stick looking down, it was slightly overbought. The MACD trying to converge, it is in green, and the RSI is flat. If you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, couple of observations, 2 red candles, third one in making, and it can try to take it till towards 2520 levels, but then good support exists till $25 levels. You need not consider this as bullish till bearish till 25, but then 2480, the next support levels, below which only further bearishness is going to prevail. The stock stick certainly overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI very much near to the top there. And if you look at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts too, lower highs, flat bottom, you can sell here at 25.25 and buy at 25.40. A stock stick overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI flat. Remember one thing, it's a big day and the most of the volatility will be seen with the Fed's interest rate hike decision later and towards the second half of the day today, almost 15 hours from now. Hence, till then, you need to ensure that you are trading with a trailing stop loss, and with the news also, you should put a trailing stop loss, whichever direction you take. Remember, it can show you very good swing. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at daily charts, you can find previous 2 candles, lower highs, lower lows, and the tail there, and hence any breakout beyond 2550 certainly a good indication for it to head till towards $26 levels. Hence, wait for it to break out beyond 2550. Yes, you can buy 2540 itself, anticipating possibly we may see a rise. Stock stick flat. MACD is still bearish, trying to converge a bit. RSI is near to the top. Considering this, a buy at 25.40 and sell at 25.25. Remember, the day is long. Yes, it can try to retrace a little for 25.15, 25.05. In fact, 24.90, 24.80 levels. But then do not consider this as bearish till then. Till the time it breaks the lowest levels, do not consider this as bearish. And yes, possibility of a reversal or swing exists. The harder it drops, the faster will be the reversal there. Any move beyond 25.50 will be a very good indication that it is going to hit 25.80 or $26 levels. Remember, it is going to be a swingful day. There could be potential 2 or 3 entries which you will get. First, you can enjoy the sells, then you can enjoy the rise, and then again potentially a sell can be seen, and hence you should take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss strictly. Thank you. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.